Hey y'all, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial to take you from this to this.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
So I already have my foundation, concealer, and powder, eyebrows, everything on already. So next I'm going to take my AOA Studio white concealer. This is the dollar concealer. And I'm just going to be putting that, you'll see in all the contours of my face. And this is literally the worst concealer I've ever used. It was so hard to blend out. I also wanted to brighten my concealer, so I applied that there as well. And you'll see I'm basically putting it in all the contours of my face where I would normally put a darker color. But since we're going for this icy, pale, frosty look, I'm kind of doing the opposite here. And then next I'm going to take my AOA Studio. This is another Shop Miss A dollar powder, and it's very white. It would definitely have flashback, but I'm using that to set my whole face and to set those parts that I want brighter. I also applied some concealer to my neck, and that was the most difficult thing to blend out. It's like paint. And then I took the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette and took that white eyeshadow, and I went ahead and tried to brighten up my face even more. And then to actually contour my cheeks, I took the shade Power from the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. This made me super nervous because I looked very dead. But then I went over that contour with the shade Blue Blood from the Blue Blood palette. And then it started to look more icy. Elsa vibes. And I continued to take that blue eyeshadow to contour my nose and kind of just like make it look all even with the grays, blues, and white. I took it down my neck to continue it down. And this is me thinking about how crazy and how is this gonna come together. And then I took that white shade again from Blood Sugar, and we have to cut that contour. Went ahead and sprayed my face with some Morphe setting spray. And then I took the AOA Studio Perfect Pressed Highlighter, because this is a very icy highlighter. Like, oh my gosh, this felt so wrong. But I want this kind of everywhere where I would want really highlighted, which is basically my whole face. And then I took the Jeffree Star Northern Lights highlighting palette, and I took that shade Below Freezing, and this is a blue highlighter, which is wild, but I wanted that a more depth highlight. So I'm layering contours and highlights. I took the NYX glitter glue because I'm applying the pressed glitters from that Delancey pressed glitter palette. That's the one I got from the Amazon palette video. It's really good. And I went ahead and placed that darker blue to give it some, that ombre effect. I took that AOA Studio white concealer and I brushed it with an old spoolie onto my Lunar Angel lashes, and oh my gosh, this turned out so cool. And I went ahead and went over my real lashes to blend it together. But I thought it would give it that icy effect. And I did that to my eyebrows too, but I think that didn't make it on video somehow. Did the lower lashes with the white concealer. And then I took my Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust and went to the inner corner. And then this is when I went real crazy and put it kind of where you would normally highlight. I just kind of went crazy at this point. Like, girl, you need to stop. Okay, glitter. And then I applied that Below Freezing blue highlighter to my chest and to the neck area to blend it all together. This part's self-explanatory, but I pretty much curled my eyelashes together to blend them together. And then here we go, adding more highlight. Trying to dust off a little more glitter because that was a mistake. You don't have to do that. Just trying to blend everything together. Of course, here adding more highlight. Calm down. It just didn't feel blended until the very end. So I'll be right back. Okay, wig is on. And then I went and took that Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Ice Tray. And I thought this one matched my wig perfectly. And then I took the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Drug Lord. It's white, and I tapped it into the middle of my lips to give it that hypothermic effect, I guess. Brr. And I got these stickers from Amazon, and I had a couple, so I chose this one to go on top of my forehead and attach the smaller rhinestones to the bottom middle of my eye. And then I took the Jeffree Star lip gloss and just tapped that over because my lips were already starting to crack. And this is actually a boob sticker. Who would wear that? Because it like totally fell off halfway through the night. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to blend everything together. Here we are adding more highlighter. Adding my tiara. And here we are. She's alive, the Ice Queen. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all so much for watching my easy Ice Queen tutorial. Hope y'all have a great Halloween. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.